Sun feels good.
A little warm? No, a little bright.
A little bright. Not the breeze is just warm and cold enough to not make it warm, but.
Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
We've been out doing a lot of stuff here in the yard today. Been using the tractor to move dirt from a pile we have over here to a bed we're making over there.
This is the first really decent day we've had. It's been gorgeous, but the wind has been howling so bad you couldn't be outside for much time at all. I did manage to get a little bit of clearing done in some of the beds over the last week or so, but most of the time it was just too much. You'd be out there for 10 minutes and you'd be kind of exhausted from being blown on so hard. And it's hard, you know, if you're clearing brush or something like that, the stuff is taking off and we want to control it. The whole point is they're anticipating that we'll have a bad fire season this summer. So we've already started burning brush around the house here to make it what we call a defensible space. And those of you who live in California know what I'm talking about when we say a defensible space. So yeah, we've just started our spring cleanup and getting the beds set and rebuilding a flower bed and just all kinds of stuff. But we had something very important that we needed to handle today.
Yeah, we do. We've been running a giveaway for an Amazon $50 gift card for the past week.
Right.
Well, actually, it was a week as of last Saturday.
Right. Yesterday.
And we selected the winner.
Yep. As soon as, you know, Henry watched the clock, and as soon as the deadline was hit, we selected the winner. Well, we didn't select the winner. The automatic thingy that...
Pick a winner did.
Yeah, the pick a winner thing that they have. That does a random number, whatever, not. So, yeah.
I'm really happy to tell Simply Pam. Hey Pam, you got a gift card coming. You got to let us know how to reach it by email so that we can arrange for that card to go to you.
Right, right. Yeah, we thought it was funny that we actually chat with this person online on a regular basis. And that's always kind of cool because, you know, a lot of people will join just because they're hoping for the gift card. But it's kind of nice when somebody that you have been seeing for quite a while who actually responds and pays attention to what you're doing. And we watch her stuff too. So it's kind of fun.
I'm thinking maybe, should I show people the spinach salad that we had?
Sure, yeah, I did a quick pull together the other night to show how to make a quick spinach salad.
It was delicious.
Right. Well, we always joke the fact that, you know, we have not had a single recall on our fresh spinach for the past year, and that's because we grow our own, of course, in the greenhouse. But we've been eating at least one spinach salad a week for many, 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 many weeks now, and we usually do it as part of our Friday night celebration of having survived another week. We do pizza and beer and.
Except not this past Friday, because I had to go down to Prescott to try to find some parts for that tower that gave up the ghost.
Go. Fresh spinach, washed and drained. Canned mandarin oranges. Drain off the liquid. Zesty Italian. About 3 tablespoons. Stir. Clean hands, obviously. Slivered almonds. Dress. Super yummy.
Thanks very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed some of the images we captured today. It's been a fun day because the wind's not been terribly bad.
Right, it's just starting to pick up a little bit right now. We were laughing about the fact that we were trying to figure out where we'd do the filming, and the longer we took, the more the wind started to kick up. We've decided we just had to get this done quicker, otherwise we'd be blown over again.
Well, thanks for watching. We'll talk with you later. Bye.
Bye. Bright and surly. Okay.
Bright and early.
Bright and surly.
Nice chair.
Yeah, I need to replace the strapping. If you look at the strapping on yours, one of them's getting crunchy.
Oh well.